Hey guys, my name's Brittany. So the reason I'm making this video is because Ariella and Wesley and the team asked me to kind of update you guys on my progress. I'm a new student of the Done For You Services program. I bought that service and the process has been really simple, and all it's taken is to get with people in the group who've been really helpful, and of course the administrators have been super helpful as well. I was able to run a video views campaign. I got started a little late, so mine may have taken longer, but then once I got started on my conversion campaign, when I went to bed that night, I woke up in the morning and I had my first sale. So I really love and believe in this program for internet marketing. Wesley's program is going to apply to all the different ways to make money online, no matter what it is that you want to do. I wanted to make this video saying thank you so much because, yeah, it's my first online sale and I haven't had experience with internet marketing since I was a lot younger, and the Done For You services just made it really easy, and the team's been really helpful. So thank you so much, guys. I'm really excited. I'm looking forward to hearing how everyone is doing during their program too.